This video has been produced for industry personnel who are preparing to assist in a response to an EAD incident in Australia under the LLI function. Although the contents of this video are based on existing response arrangements, please be mindful that this video provides only an overview of the LLI function in a response, and that every response is different. If you haven't already, download the Just-in-Time training booklet for LLI for more information, available on Animal Health Australia's website. Industry personnel play a critical role during a response by providing advice, guidance, and industry perspective on response matters. The two main functions that industry personnel may perform are LLI or specialist advice. This video focuses on the LLI role. You can find more information on the specialist advice role in the Just-in-Time training booklet. In the event of an EAD incident, control centres are set up so that response operations can take place in an organised manner. LLI personnel are appointed and inducted by their peak industry body and are required to submit a signed confidentiality deed poll to Animal Health Australia before participating in a response. You'll be working in either the LCC or SCC and will act as the official conduit between your industry and the response. Once at the control centre, you will be inducted by government staff. This will cover the general overview of the response, your roles and responsibilities, policies, procedures and arrangements, administration and logistics, and work health and safety. You'll work closely with the LCC Incident Controller or SCC Incident Coordinator. There may be some variations to these titles depending on the jurisdiction and/or agency that is managing the response. You'll also be participating in the Incident or Coordination Management Team, which comprises of managers from the public information, planning, operations, logistics, and finance and administration functions. Depending on the scale of the response, there may be one or more LLI personnel, and each may be asked to perform functions in addition to the LLI. If you're an LLI in the SCC, you should have knowledge of the scientific, political, legal, and management aspects of the response on a statewide level so that you can provide industry's view on the strategic direction of the response. If you're an LLI in the LCC, you'll have a more operational role at the local level that may involve liaising with local industry and providing input to the incident management team to assist with local decisions, especially during the recovery phase of a response. As LLI personnel, you'll be asked to contribute to or participate in a variety of tasks. These include briefings and debriefings, handovers, and plans and reports such as IAPs and SIDREPs. You may need to familiarise yourself with the SMEACS format to complete these tasks. Again, refer to the LLI Just-in-Time booklet. This format provides control centre personnel with a framework that allows for consistency between briefings, debriefings, and reporting. You will also be asked to adhere to the control centre's information management system and processes. These include filling, recording, and lodging forms, recording your communications, including conversations, completing an events log, and maintaining an appropriate level of information security and confidentiality. Record as much detail as possible. For example, the date, time, names, and topic. And remember, all documentation is to remain in the control centre. Control centres can be a high-stress environment, so it's important to remember that everyone handles stress differently, and for you to be aware of your own sense of health and well-being. Make sure that you take appropriate actions to minimise stress and to let your control centre supervisor know if you're not feeling 100%. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, more information can be found in the Just-in-Time training booklet for LLI by contacting Animal Health Australia or accessing Animal Health Australia's website.